Yo, what's up? Got the fucking pad, fucking got the house all fixed up and shit. Got some DVDs here on the floor. Here's my entire DVD collection. Got some Blu-rays over here. Got the fucking kitchen right here. This is the kitchen. Got a lot of appliances. Here's that's the sink right there. That's the room. Some it's my stuff right there. Coming over here, we got the restroom, the baño right here. We got the shower system right there. Got the toilet and everything. Got some paper towels hanging up here on the tire section. We got like the storage room, with all the heavy stuff. There's there's the water supply, main water supply tank right there. Over here, the garage, we got a Corvette over there, We got a brand new 2035 year Yamaha motorcycle with all the features, There's the garage. We got the couch right there. It's good for somewhat chill, for a little bit. Coming up here upstairs here, we got the restroom. Got some piss bottles right there. It's in furnishing. That's the only part of the house that's still gotta be furnished. Oh, we got a master bedroom over here. It's got a nice mattress over there. All that good shit. Here we got a hallway here. Got the other master bedroom with the king size mattress over there. We got the other master bedroom here. We got a little sexy red mattress over there. And we got the attic with fucking dead people and stuff, because I'm not going up there.